So yeah, this is how low the water is here. I don't know if you can see this or not, but they're draining the pond. It's my favorite place to go. And I don't know when they're going to start filling it again, but it's nice to be able to bank fish and walk around the lake on the shore. So yeah, there's no one around this corner. We'll set up shop and do some fishing. The lake's a beautiful lake. It's a very, very nice lake. It's just the water's usually up to those rocks right there. So I don't know. I don't know when they're going to refill it. They said it was supposed to be shut December 30th, I think, or something. Or maybe January 30th. And it still wasn't until here recently. All right. This looks like a good place. We can cast in and then work our way out. Go around if we want to. Today I have the Shimano SLX XT on a Lew's Laser Speed Stick. This one is a medium action fast. And then swim bait on a weighted lure. Let's see how she does. Other rod I brought is a Shimano as well, with a Texas rig. Just been in the mood for Texas rigs lately and caught my biggest fish of 2022 on one. Actually 2021 as well. Something. Gotta love not paying attention. I think we're gonna keep walking. Oh yeah. I don't know if this does it justice, but break out the Texas rig. bunch of trees under there. Not exactly the direction I wanted to go. Quite honestly, just happy to be out here. So if I get skunked, then oh well. Check to make sure I'm recording. Guess I better fix it. Not much line on this one at all. I don't know. No. Let's try a war pig. I don't know if you can see, but I kind of grabbed all 4 of my boxes. I didn't know what was going to work. I wanted to challenge myself with certain baits. So I only brought certain plastics. Let's try the Berkley War Pig. This time of year should be a good choice, but we will see. I tell you, these little hooks, or whatever they're called, love them. No weeds or anything. That was a Hail Mary. I think a few more casts and I might move. I've been here for a good half hour or so throwing this. Oop. Sorry about that. The battery went dead and I did not know. So, chatterbait was a bust. So I'm going to cover up the camera with my coat. Take some of this fish sticks, crawfish, and I'm going to do some Texas rigging with worm. Got the Berkley Power Bait, 7-inch, and it's in the watermelon red glitter. So we'll see how it is. But if I bust today, I don't care. I am out doing what I love. I doubt I'll catch anything with this, especially the way that I rigged it. There we go. I think it likes its hook. Then put some of this on it. Yeah, in the dirt. Nope. On a stick. I've had some very good luck with this stuff. And you probably can't even see it. Oops. So yeah, that was horrible. Phew. That stuff reeks. I don't know. Yeah, get going here in a minute. So yeah, a couple more casts, but I need to head out. Got some errands to run. So yeah, nice day to be out, but it was a bust. So yeah, thanks for watching.